Write a rule to describe each transformation. We have 3 transformations that we are working with. We're working with rotations, reflections, and translations. Looking at number 1, I see a quadrilateral that looks like a kite. I have my original image in black and my new image in blue. Did it rotate, did it reflect, or did it translate? Just by looking at the image, it looks like it might have been translated. I can easily check by going from the original point to the new point. I could see that if I count down 3 and then move to the left, I would have to check that for every point. Down 3, 1 to the left. For H, down 3, 1 to the left. For K, down 3, 1 to the left. Another way of figuring out if this is a translation is by connecting the new point with the old point. Notice that once I connected the original point to the new point, for every single set of points, I was able to create parallel lines. That happens because this is a translation. And like I said, it moves down 3 to the left once. For number 2, I have my new image in blue. I have my original image in black. I notice that these two are overlapping. But I also notice that the Q and Q prime, it was originally on the left, now it's on the right. P was originally on the left, now it's on the right. S was on the right, now it's on the left. Just by looking at it, it looks like it might be a reflection. One way of determining that is by drawing a line down the center. Notice how R is 1 unit away from the line of reflection, R prime is 1 unit away from the line of reflection. Q prime is 1, 2, 3 units away from the line of reflection. Q is 1, 2, 3 units away from the line of reflection. Therefore, I can say that this is a reflection. And the line of reflection is on the x-axis at x equals -2. For number 3, I noticed that my triangle UTV and my new image U prime V prime T prime are not facing the same direction. The only time that happens is when it's a rotation. But we need to decide what kind of rotation this is. I know that clockwise means it's turning in the same direction the clock works. Counterclockwise is in the opposite that the clock works. If this original triangle is rotating clockwise, it would be moving towards the right. But since the new image is on the left, this is counterclockwise. And it's a 90-degree turn.